These 5 AI-powered side hustles are fast to start, free to try, and actually make money, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Freelance blogging with KoalaWriter.com. KoalaWriter.com is an AI blogging tool built on GPT-4 that creates optimized articles in minutes. You can start a niche blog and earn from ads, or write content for small businesses who don't have time to blog themselves. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for fast, quality content. 2. Logo and branding kits with Looka.com. Looka.com lets you build custom logos and brand identities with zero design skills. You just enter a name, tweak a few colors, and boom, full brand kits ready to sell. Offer branding packages to new businesses, Etsy shops, or creators launching merch. 3. Voiceover gigs with 11labs.io. 11labs.io generates studio-quality voiceovers in seconds. You can sell audiobook narration, TikTok voiceovers, or even create explainer videos for businesses. It's like having a pro voice actor in your browser. 4. Resume revamps with Rezi.ai. Rezi.ai uses AI to create clean, modern resumes that pass those annoying job filters. You can offer resume upgrades or full rewrites, perfect for students, job seekers, or career switchers. This one works well locally too. 5. Photo cleanup with Cleanup.Pictures. Cleanup.Pictures instantly removes unwanted objects from photos. Think product photos, real estate pics, or profile pictures. Offer cleanup services on Fiverr, Etsy, or even through Instagram DMs. These aren't just gimmicks. They're real tools, making people real money. Which one are you starting first?